Tiga.
Hi Agung, how are you?
Hi, I'm feeling a little under the weather today.
Oh my God, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I think I might have the flu
How long have you had it?
for about 3 days, maybe.
Did you have other symptoms like a fever or sneezing?
Yeah, I had a really high fever for a few days and I sneezing a lot.
Oh, that sounds pretty serious. Have you seen a doctor?
No, I have not.
Why don't you go see a doctor and get checked out?
I'm not sure. I don't want to go to the hospital if I don't have to.
I understand you concerned, but it's always better to get checked out by a professional. They will be able to give you the proper diagnosis and treatment.
Not today. I will try to drink some traditional herbal medicine and see how I feel in a few days.
I want to help you with anything that makes you feel better. You let me know.
Thank you, Rahmi. It seems that right now I just need to rest at home.
Well, I will help you to get permission to rest at your home until you are healthy again. So now you can go home and don't have to come to work at the office.
That will help me a lot, Rahmi. You are very kind.
No problem. I hope it can help and that herbal medicine works for you and that you feel better soon. Take care of yourself, Agung.
Thank you, Rahmi.
Yeah.